Global warming is bad for our community. Help stop polluting.
We are bringing awareness to how community members in Evanston can positively impact climate change. CARP stands for Climate Action Resilience Plan. CARP is helping to prevent pollution and slow down climate change through educating people on how to use more renewable resources of energy. It's time for people of all ages, including young people like you and me, to find ways to contribute to the effort. It's important for kids to learn about CARP because it helps educate people about global warming and pollution.